In a digital age where convenience often trumps caution, it's alarming that 64% of U.S. credit or debit card holders save their card numbers online. Today, we'll explore why people might be taking this risk and how you can safeguard your payment information while shopping online. The convenience of saving card details online is undeniable. However, many shoppers may not fully grasp the potential risks. According to a study by Bankrate.com, 44% believe it's somewhat safe, 31% think it's not very safe, and 17% consider it not safe at all. To protect yourself from digital mugging, look for visual cues on websites. A padlock icon and HTTPS in the URL indicate a safer site. Be cautious with crashing websites, pop-ups, and double-check URLs for misspellings. Common signs of potential scams. Always update your device before shopping online. Updates act like metal plates, sealing vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Your computer or phone will often notify you of pending updates, so stay vigilant. Public Wi-Fi is a haven for cybercriminals. If needed, use your smartphone's hotspot for a more secure connection. Consider using Firefox for online shopping. Its enhanced tracking protection and features like the Facebook container make it more secure than other browsers. Firefox also collects less private data from users. Add an extra layer of security with two-factor authentication. This can involve security questions, email or text codes, or authentication apps like Google Authenticator. Opt for credit cards over debit cards for online transactions. Credit cards offer better protection, and issuers often provide zero liability. Resolving issues with a credit card is typically easier in case of fraud. Before making an online purchase, ensure the company or seller has a verifiable physical address and contact number. Explore reviews on platforms like Yelp and Google to gauge the credibility and reliability of the business. Always save records of your online transactions, including the receipt, order number, product description, and price. In the end, trust your instincts. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. And if anything seems suspicious, remember that you don't have to make the purchase. As online shopping continues to surge day by day, it's crucial for us to remain vigilant and implement the discussed points to safeguard our online shopping experiences. Stay cautious, use secure methods, and shop responsibly. After all, a little caution can go a long way in the digital marketplace. Wishing you happy and safe online shopping.